Sekta ma jua kali mamboleo showground kachiel kod johanda bepe gi loche mag kuoyo mawuok kondele boma ma Kisumu ibiro dar ka itere alwora ma Kibos ma biro bedo kaka industrial area mar Kisumu. Jatend boma ma Kisumu Abala Wanga olando magi okang' machielo mar bero boma no. Millicent Adhiambo miyo waler mathoth.
So Kisumu has new growth zones, and under development control we are going to focus on architectural designs. We hope under the new growth zone to transfer Juakali sector to Kibos, which is now going to be industrial area.
Magini oler kod manager mar boma ma Kisumu Abala Wanga. Mani olero ni chenro magini ngo manyen mar chano boma ma Kisumu e rang'iny mawinjore okoweyo oko. Dhowethe kaka Dunga ma ibiro gernegi kar chung' yedhi e yor lony manyasani mayoyo jolimbe.
The growth zones created by our new geospatial plan is Dunga. We need a marina. Marina is like a bus park for boats, for those who don't know. So all boats, commercial boats, should have a broad walk, should have a big stage, and it should be cordoned off and have a promenade.
Ewi mano omedo ni kuonde dak kaka Tomboya, Moscow kod Manyata Arabs ibiro gero lony manyasani mondo gichop e ratil mag kuonde dak mawinjore obede e chuny boma e seche ma mamboleo to biro dong kaka kar tuke.
We need to regenerate Moscow estate, upgrade Tomboya. Those are very good estates. And when you come to Mamboleo, the showground is not adding value. It's a land in wasted. They just do a show every year, once in a while, and it does not help the county with anything. So we can take them to agricultural area in Kibos near Chiga. They can be growing fruits there and boga for the year. So Mamboleo is going to be a sports area and a commercial center.
Bende olero ni kuonde dak kaka Ondiek ibiro gol kendo ruchoko mar boma ka Kondele biro dong kamo ala biro dhi nyime seche 24 to mondo mano timre nyaka bi med lose maler.
The problem we have with CBDC, we still have Ondiek estate here, which should not be in Kisumu anymore with its station. And then we have the old bus park. So bus stage will need to only have the Jubilee shopping mall there, crossing to the old district hostel, which I requested my governor we should relocate it, but he said, no, we can't, because it serves major parts of Kisumu, but we can upgrade it to a CBD standard. We have the Kondele area, which should be a 24-hour area, so we need to convert it, but still it's not so clean, it's dirty. We need to make the surrounding look beautiful. So it means that all those people selling timbers there, trucks, should be in Kibos near the industrial park.
Abala Oyango ni sani koro gibro chungo bende nyolo kendo tho gedo ageda e alwora Mariat kod Milimani mondo kuondego odong kaka kuonde dak mawelo moluor e lemo mopogore kaka jombetre e kind mamoko biro jotie.
We are really restricting development controls in Riyadh and land ownership. Milimani, we have said development cannot go beyond 4 floors. Don't go doing skyscrapers in Milimani. That is our diplomatic estate. So we are really controlling those 2 estates. But in expansion, we still have a lot of estates. So there's Rabur. Rabur will all lead all the way to Chiga. Those are industrial areas extending. There's Nyamasaria. You see we are starting a bus park there, and we want a very commercial area.
Genunitie ni chenro makamagi mar bero kendo chano boma ma Kisumu e rang'iny madwarore kobiro chopo kare to dhi konyo e ting'o malo kendo bero chumi mar county.
When we move Kondele group, we move Juakali and they show people, then Kibos becomes the hub of industry and agricultural area in Kisumu to earn good money to the city and the county.
Millicent Adhiambo, Ramogi TV, Kisumu County.
Iluongo ni tich tire kendo geno en ni boma ma Kisumu kuom thuolo machuok mabiro mbele ka biro ruenyo joma ne ong'eye gi kinde machon. Wadhi nyime kama jopith rech e kaunti ma Migori dwaro mondo piny owacho oketi okenge makare mar duoko piny nengo mag chiemb rech kaachiel kod neno ni